Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert a PDF file to a Microsoft Word file. It's really easy to convert your PDF file to a Microsoft Word file by using a method which I'm going to show you. So what you need to do in order to convert your PDF file to the Word file is just go to your browser and search for this pdfonline.com. Okay, so search for pdfonline.com and the first link will be www.pdfonline.com. Just open this link here, and in here you will be able to convert PDF to Word or Word to PDF. Okay, so we want to convert PDFs to Word, so make sure this tab is open here, and then you can just click this button, upload the PDF file. I'm going to choose my PDF file from here, and it will upload my PDF file, and it will scan my file for some time, and then hopefully I will get my document file from that PDF file. So just wait for this process, and now you can see here my PDF file is converted into a Word file. So it will give me the option to download this or view PDF file. So I'm going to just click this download button, and I want to download a Word file, right? So I will just click this Word file, and you can see this Word file is downloaded. I can open this file, and once you open this file I will be able to see my document file. So I will wait for this. You can see it's opening my Word file, right? And my Word file is open now. So I have successfully converted my PDF file, which is this file, to my Word file, which is this one. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.